I want to show you how to link the photos to the different types of variations. I'm actually going to get out of this listing. Just give me 1 second. Sections, journals. I'm also planning to do a video of how to navigate Shop Manager. So all of these categories, how to navigate this and how to navigate through your listings a little more efficiently, like I just did right now, where I was able to just toggle into journals. Um, Again, in a separate video. Okay, details. Etsy really should have one set to be able to go to your photos. But anyways, so this one does have the corresponding photos for the colors. So again, we're gonna go click variations from the top menu, and I already have the variations set up, so I already have the colors. And for me, I don't charge more depending on what color you get. They are all the same price. I just have the quantity. So you're gonna click on Manage Variation, okay? And then on the variation you want to work with, you want to click here, and then you will see it says links photos to this variation. You're gonna want to toggle this on. Okay, and now it changed it to this. So now you will just have to click select photo depending on what color it corresponds to. And it's actually helpful that it includes it up here too, just in case you forgot. So we're looking for silver, and this would be the silver one. Okay, and then you just have to go through each one. So again, up here, rose gold, gold. Okay, and there we go. You applied the photo that corresponds to the variation. And we're just going to click done, then apply. Okay, and I guess we can publish changes. Okay, so now we're going to go back. I believe it was this one, right? Let's go view on Etsy. Took a minute to load. Okay, let's see if it actually worked. So we're going to do silver. Rose gold. I don't know if it's just taking a minute. Let me see. I'm just going to reload it. I kind of forgot I have the camera over here. Okay, I think okay, it just took a minute. Okay, okay, okay. Let me go back. Okay, view on Etsy. I just want to start all over again. Okay, so this is what the listing would look like on Etsy, and now perfect. Okay, so there's silver, rose gold, and gold. Okay, so that's how it would look like for when a customer were to go on your listing. And yeah, so that's how you set up variations. Pretty much, that was the gist of it. Let me know if this video was helpful, and if you like this type of content, please let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.